back to my channel. This is Ingenious Giacomo. Today I am changing again the contactor. After a while the ants got in it, and you know, ant bite and all this stuff. Actually they ate it all. Jeez, that's all dead ants right there. So it did work, but yeah, my gosh. So anyway, I came up with the idea. I used a container from the Dollar Tree. It was 3 for $1.25, big enough to fit my contactor. I put it inside. There is room for it. I already checked. I will go ahead and do the wiring, put the lid on it, and then use some plumber's pad in case I need to remove in the future, because it doesn't get hard and it's kind of watertight. Plumber's padding. I can use silicone, by the way. I can use caulking. It will be fine probably. So one or the other, just to close the holes around the wires I put it in, and then it's gonna be pretty much kind of airtight, so no ants can get inside. Okay, I already measured all the holes, so everything is fine. Let me get it together, and that should finally be my other idea was to install a box next to the original box and have the contactor inside there, but I think I like to leave it normal, so in case I change a unit in the future it's more simple of a wiring instead of the contactor wall mounted. Okay, that's it. Let me get started and I'm gonna show you the final project. As you can see, my contactor is in place. I did all the wiring inside the box, so I cut little holes so all the wire can go through. Now I'm gonna probably put silicone to make sure there is no ant intrusion. Then I will put the lid back on, and hopefully we'll stop, like see this contactor like it got cooked on one side. It's so weird how to go for one side and not for the other. Anyway, the ants got in there, and it's hard to see underneath, but technically they are fried, and their bodies, they preventing the contactor from close properly, so they see it's not working anymore. And that's number, I think, 7. This one lasts me a lot longer because I put you know, ant bait on it and boric acid, but still at the end I put some liquid tape at the edges. It was not enough still. Crazy. Anyway, let me move on with the final part of the project and I'll show you, and we should be hopefully set for a while. I couldn't come up with anything else since they don't sell a contactor. I think they do, but it's so crazy expensive, like weatherproof or ant proof, so that's not a common thing. Okay, I close all my hole. I use liquid electrical tape. It's a little messy. I didn't want to open a new thing of caulking, a white caulking. That's okay. That does the job. Close all the holes to my knowledge. I don't think nothing gonna get through that. I check on both sides. So I'm ready to put my lid back on, and then we can test the whole unit. I don't know if the thermostat is on though, I think. So a snap, like I said, that's an airtight container. It cost me like 40 cents, 45 cents. Yeah, because I 3 for $1. So let me put the contactor on it and let's see what's going on. But maybe the thermostat is off, I'm not sure. Yeah, thermostat is off. So I will put the thermostat back on and let's see what happens. But I think we're good. Thank you again for watching. This is Ingenious Giacomo, and please subscribe, thumbs up if you can.